Okay, we are going to review now the course objectives. The first objective of the course is to review the purpose of a quality management system, which we will call for short QMS, as part of this training course. The second objective is to understand the scope and requirements of the ISO 13485 standard, again, the standard that was released in year 2016. The third objective is to learn how to implement those requirements in your organization. Okay, you will have enough information as part of this training course to be able to support that implementation of those requirements in really any organization. And the fourth objective of the course is to identify which actions are required to ensure the continuous compliance with the standard. Okay, so in addition to implementing those requirements, you will be able to support the continuous compliance of your organization against the requirements of the ISO 13485 standard. After completing this course, you will have the tools and knowledge required to support the implementation and maintenance of a quality management system which will comply with those requirements of the ISO 13485 2016 standard.